G'day everyone, another cracking day here at Moreton Island. We're here to do some on-sand driving and single trail stuff, and without a doubt the most important part of any four-wheel drive, or SUV for that matter, when you go off-road is your suspension. Tough Dog have been the leaders in this industry for over 32 years. Joining me is the founder, John Agostino. John, welcome.
Cam, how are you?
Over a century of experience in your business, but why would someone that buys a four-wheel drive or an SUV modify their suspension?
Well, everybody has different needs, and manufacturers make a vehicle that suits the general population, but when you have specific needs, you're carrying an extra load, you need a little bit of better departure and approach angles, you have to modify your suspension. If
I'm going to do some serious off-roading, and I've been an enthusiast for quite a few years, is there a different setup or a different system to someone perhaps that's going to just do a little bit of on-sand driving or a bit of towing a caravan, for example?
Yeah, of course there is. Bull bars, winches, draw systems, they all add weight to the vehicle.
Yep.
And you have to raise the vehicle and put a suspension that'll carry the load as well as give you the wheel travel.
So John, from where I've come from the bitumen, it's all about twin springs, adjustable dampers, valving. Does Tough Dog specialise in that sort of thing for a four-wheel drive?
Yeah, sure we do. We manufacture a 9-stage adjustable shock absorber, and it's a 900% adjustment from 0 to 9. It is 900%. So consequently, around town you might have them on 2 or 3. When you're carrying a big load, you might have them on 6 or 7. But a dial in the ride that you want for your application.
You have adjustable shocks, you do different coil spring packages. Yeah. Is there a most popular, if you like, that the customers tend to choose?
Well, it's not so much popular. It's take this vehicle for argument's sake.
Yep.
We've got foam cell shock absorbers on the front and rear. We've got there's no bar or winch on the vehicle, so we've got a light to medium coil on the back, on the front. On the back we have just a comfort 300 kilo spring. Gives a good lift, gives a good ride, and a great deal more comfort that generally the original equipment suspension can do.
And finally, John, just talk me through, someone comes into an OL store, your product's there, how do they go about having it fitted and choosing what option they want?
One of the things that the store person will do is ask you about your vehicle, what accessories are fitted onto your vehicle, and we'll then recommend an appropriate coil shock combination for your application.
Thanks, John. I actually look forward to testing it out if you'll let me have a crack.